Hey guys, here's the paper pumpkin for the month of June 2018. It is called Broadway Star. And what's special about this month is that it coordinates with one of the suites in the annual catalog. So it coordinates with Broadway Bound, and here's some of the projects that are made using that suite. Here's the stamp set, and then you have all these products down here, the DSP, the coordinating dies, or framelits. So I'm really excited to work with this kit. I do like the color scheme a lot of the suite. So if you have the suite and you get paper pumpkin, you're in luck. So here is this. It's just saying it coordinates with the suite. But then this is nice because if you really like this kit and you want the suite, it tells you exactly what it is. So if you're interested, I'll link the suite below. If you're interested in checking it out, definitely head over there. So here's the stamps. Well, let me wait on that. Let me get everything out and then we'll go through all of the contents. So if you're not familiar with Paper Pumpkin, it is a monthly subscription. You can pay month to month. You can pay 3 months at a time, 3 months at a time, 6 months, and then a year. The more you buy up front, the cheaper it is per month if you break it down. And your kits are a surprise, so that's always kind of fun sometimes. Some people like it, some people don't. But with anything, month to month, if you get a kit every month, there are going to be ones you don't like. But there are a ton of alternative projects online that you can always look up. And, you know, it tends to give you more ideas if you don't like a certain kit. Because I've been getting Paper Pumpkin for over a year now, and there are some that I don't like. But I like more than I don't, if that helps. So I'm going to go ahead and open all this and lay everything out, and then we'll go through the content. Okay, with each kit you get a colored sheet. Using the colored projects, or the projects in color, and then you get step-by-step directions, and then down here's a ruler. So with the twine, you can measure out how much you need. And then on the back, it says what your kit includes, an example of each of the projects, and then down here it gives you the colors that coordinate with the project if you want to bring in other items. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the list and show you everything that came in the kit, and then we'll put some cards together. First, you get this stamp set. You get a cake image, some stars, congratulations, so proud of you. We just wanted to say, it's your day, you did it. So you get that stamp set. You get a Stampin' Spot and Lovely lipstick. And I have the full size. So when I have the full size, I just keep this sealed. So we'll put this aside, and I'm going to use my full size ink pad. You get 8 printed card bases. So you get 4 in this beautiful black and white stripe. Then you get 4 in this. This is Lemon Lime Twist. And like the bubbles, streamers. You get 8 printed envelopes, which coordinate with the card bases. So really pretty. Alright, so 4 sheets of die cut elements. You get 2 sheets of the marquees. And then you get the cakes that they just punch out. And then you get these sentiment strips. Then you get 7 sheets of die cut stickers. So these are some of the big banners. They are stickers, right? Yes. So you get some squares in red, and then the little banners. And then you get the balloons and candles. And then you get these, 4 of them, banners, and they're sticky as well. And then you get 2 sheets of foil die cut stickers. These say hooray. So they just peel off. And you get 5 yards of black and gold twine, which is really pretty. I like this twine. 12 gold sequins. Looks like they have adhesive on the back of them. Stampin' Dimensionals. You get 80 pearls, and then you get some glue dots. So we're going to go ahead and put together these 2 cards. Alright, here is some of the supplies I need for the first card. So here is the envelope. We'll put that aside. Here's my card base. I'm going to go ahead and fold it. This card goes like this. We're going to take one of these red, or I'm guessing this is Lovely lipstick, not a red. Lovely lipstick, and we're going to go ahead and peel one off and stick it right here. Then we have this white little banner, and what they did was they stamped it in Lovely lipstick. So that is what we're going to do. We're going to stamp it all around. Then we're going to take our black piece, pop that up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And before we adhere that down, they have some ribbon just kind of attached to the back. Now you can do this however way you find easier or easy. I'm just going to take some glue dots, attach one there. Then attach my ribbon or thread, and just I'm going to kind of randomly place glue dots. And again, do this however you want. This is just easier for me. To kind of create a little bird's nest. Then I'm going to take an Hooray sticker and carefully peel that off. Just kind of position that over the black piece. Hooray! And then I'm going to grab a couple of the balloons. And then just stick them down. Like so. You did it. Our sentiment strip. Whoops. So let me go ahead and stamp this real quick. And on the picture, they kind of have it trimmed up. So we're going to trim it. And let's do glue dots. And then we'll go ahead and add some of these sequins. And then that completes this card. So we'll go ahead and move on to the second one. All right, here's my card base. Go ahead and fold this. And then we have this piece. It's a sticker. We'll go ahead and stick this down. I like this card better than the other one. And then we have our marquee, which we're going to pop up. Okay, what's next? Hooray! Where's my sticker? So we'll stick on an hooray sticker before we add our pearls. All right, so let's go ahead and add our cake and candle. Pop this up. And then they used It's Your Day stamp. So let's go ahead and stamp this. And I'm going to use the leftover piece from my last card instead of wasting a whole strip. Those are kind of handy to have, because they're already cut out nice and straight. We'll go ahead and use glue dots to glue this down. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the pearls real quickly to each of these little circles. We're just going to take some twine and then tie a bow. I love this twine. It's pretty. I'm not a fan of gold, but this is really pretty. And sometimes I like to add a glue dot to the bottom of a bow, just so it stays in place. There we go. So here are the two cards from this month's Paper Pumpkin. So if you're interested in joining Paper Pumpkin, I will include the link below. If you purchase a 3-month or more, you do get a free gift from me, since the purchase is over $50. If you make any other purchase, don't forget to use that Hostess code below so you can earn a free gift. And let me know if you have any questions. I will include the suite below if you like these but missed out on Paper Pumpkin and are interested in the suite. So stay tuned for more projects coming soon, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!